In this video, I'm going to show you how to get leverage in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that to get leverage in MT5, you must set it through your broker's client portal, as MetaTrader only serves as a trading interface, okay? So if you're, for example, connected with a broker inside MT5 and you want to change the leverage, you can't actually physically do it inside your MetaTrader 5. However, you have to go to your client portal of your broker and you can set it or change it or get leverage in there, okay? And of course, if you want to kind of get some assistance with your leverage with a specific broker, you want to reach out to their support and they will help you out. But if you want to actually get leverage on an account, which is a demo account from MetaTrader, that's super simple. What you have to do is go to a file top left and you want to click on open an account. Now, I know you may have an account already. As you can see here, I have a few demo accounts. There's 5 right now. But of course, if you want to get leverage, you want to actually create a new one because you can't actually change it. There's no way to do this. So you go to file and then open an account, and you can just go ahead and look for MetaQuotes and click on next. And from here, click on open demo and next again. And from here at the very bottom, it says leverage. So this is how to get leverage. You're going to have to basically set the leverage over here. You have like a bunch of different ones over here, as you can see. And whenever you've done this, don't forget to agree. And of course, click on next. And that's going to create your new account. And that way you can get your custom leverage in MetaTrader 5. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.